Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
The short English podcast where you listen, repeat, and speak more naturally.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Noah.
Today, we are talking about the let them theory.
Mel Robbins' book gives us a simple way to stop wasting energy on people we cannot control.
Yes, because sometimes we try to control everything.
We want people to like us, agree with us, invite us, and reply quickly.
Exactly. We even want them to understand our face before we speak.
That would be useful, but life does not work that way.
Let them means stop fighting reality.
If people judge you, let them judge.
If they misunderstand you, let them misunderstand.
If they choose something different, let them choose it.
That sounds peaceful, but it is not always easy.
True. Our mind wants to explain, chase, and fix the whole situation.
But let them does not mean you become weak.
It means you stop begging people to act the way you want.
You can still speak honestly and clearly.
But you do not have to force someone to value you.
Other people's behavior gives you information.
If someone ignores you, disrespects you, or does not support you, notice it clearly.
Do not panic and create a whole drama in your head.
Okay, this shows me something.
Then comes the second part. Let me.
Let me protect my peace.
Let me set a healthy boundary.
Let me choose my next step.
This works in friendships, family, work, and relationships.
Even in group chats, where one tiny message can become a full investigation.
Yes, but the main idea is simple.
People can do what they do, and I can choose what I do next.
Real freedom starts when we stop making others responsible for our happiness.
Your peace, confidence, goals, and future are still your responsibility.
So let them is not giving up.
It is choosing calm instead of emotional drama.
And let me is where your power comes back.
That is a strong reminder for everyday life.
Now let's slow it down and practice some shadowing sentences.
Listen, repeat, and speak each sentence out loud.
I cannot control what everyone thinks of me.
Let them have their own opinion.
I can choose peace over drama.
Their behavior gives me useful information.
I do not need to chase people.
I can protect my energy today.
I can set a boundary calmly.
I do not have to explain everything.
Let them choose their own way.
Let me focus on what I can control.
I can notice the truth without panicking.
My happiness is not their responsibility.
I can care about people without losing myself.
I can be kind and still walk away.
My peace is my responsibility.
Great work today. You completed another Shadowcast lesson.
Do not try to memorize every sentence.
Just listen again and speak the lines out loud.
Your mouth needs practice, not pressure.
Repeat this lesson until the words feel natural.
Each time you practice, your English becomes smoother.
Keep going and let yourself grow one small step at a time.
See you in the next lesson.